Jacob Orokoli Oulanya has been a Ugandan agricultural economist, lawyer and politician who served as the Speaker of the 11th Parliament of Uganda 2021-2026. He was elected to that position on 24th May 2021 after defeating the former Speaker Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. He served as Deputy Speaker of the Ugandan Parliament from May 2011 until May 2021. Oulanya is also the Member of Parliament representing the Omoro County constituency, Omoro District, Acholi sub-region in the Uganda's North region. He was born in the then Ugulu district on 23rd March 1965 to Nathan Rokoli and Karen Otwan. He attended St. Joseph's College Laibi, Dr. Obote College Boroboro, and Kololo Senior Secondary School for his O-level and A-level education. In 1988, he joined Makerere University, the oldest university in the East African community, where he studied agricultural economics. He graduated in 1991 with a Bachelor of Arts in that subject. That same year, he entered law school, also at Makerere University, graduating in 1994 with a Bachelor of Laws degree. He served as Speaker of the University Students' Guild during his stay at Makerere. In 1995, he attended the Law Development Center, where he obtained a postgraduate diploma in legal practice. Oulanya worked as a lecturer at the center. During the same time frame, he began private law practice at the law firm of Oulanya Honoria and Company Advocates. In 2001, he entered politics by successfully contesting for the parliamentary seat of Omoro County in the then Guru district under the non-party system, also known as the movement political system. He was, however, a card holder of Uganda People's Congress. He also participated in the peace talks between the government of Uganda and the Lord's Resistance Army rebels. In 2006, standing as a UPC candidate, he lost his re-election bid. In July 2006, he quit the UPC and joined the ruling National Resistance Movement. In 2008, he served as the chairman of the Commission of Inquiry into the controversial sublease of Chiseka Market, one of the municipal markets in the city of Kampala. In March 2011, Oulanya was elected to represent Omoro County then in Guru District. In 9th Parliament, this time on the NRM ticket. He was elected as Deputy Speaker of Parliament on 19th May 2011. Following the February 2016 general election, Oulanya was re-elected as Deputy Speaker of Parliament on 19th May 2016. In the vote conducted by the secret ballot, he received 300 votes, while Mohamed Nseleko received 115. On 13th July 2019, Oulanya was awarded an honorary doctorate of divinity by Zoe Life Theological College, USA, and acquired the title Doctor, enabling him to be called Lieutenant Honorable Dr. Jacob Lokoli Oulanya. On 24th May 2021, Jacob Oulanya was voted Speaker of Parliament in the race against his former boss, Right Honorable Rebecca Kadaga, and Chira Municipality MP Ibra Semujo. Jacob obtained 310 votes against Kadaga's 197 and Semujo's 15 parliamentary duties. He has been the current National Speaker of Parliament till death. Appointments Committee. The committee reviews all cabinet appointments by the President and may approve or reject an appointment. The Deputy Speaker is the Vice Chairman of the committee. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Oyagala omukolo gw'enjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukizo mu nnyumba yo? Kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukizo ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala, ku Prime Tower, Level 3, Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo, tukubire ku nnamba zino: Note 7 Note 2 emu Note 4 emu 25 oba Note 755 3 731 oba Note 777 Note 23 4 Note 5. King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukizo ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.